Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tyler J. Tolbert with Smile Now Dentures Implants, and today I'm going to be talking about something I hear from patients almost daily. My doctor told me that I have bone loss and I can't get implants. Now I'm here to clear things up and show you why even if you've been told this, you are most likely a candidate for full mouth implants. The first thing to know is that 50% of our patients actually get implants because they have bone loss. So you're not alone, and it's not the end of the road for dental implants. In fact, it's usually just the beginning. One of the main reasons patients experience bone loss is due to a disease called periodontitis. You know you have this if your dentist has been telling you for years that you have bone loss, or you've been going back to them every 3 to 6 months for deep cleanings. It can also lead to symptoms like bleeding gums, bad breath, and ultimately loose teeth. What you need to understand about periodontitis is that the word literally means inflammation around teeth. This is because in those suffering from periodontitis, they have particular strains of bacteria that are causing low-grade chronic inflammation around their teeth, and the body is responding by allowing bone to retreat away from that infection. This results in bone loss throughout the entire mouth over time. The trouble with this is that it generally isn't very painful, and many patients experiencing bone loss may not even be aware until all of their teeth start coming loose. But there's good news. Being that the disease is due to bacteria colonizing your natural teeth, once your mouth gets to the point of needing rehabilitation, the removal of those diseased teeth can actually slow down or completely arrest this process. While dental implants are not immune to periodontal disease, when placed into a mouth that is free of periodontally affected teeth, bone loss has been shown to be minimal over time, and you can see long-term, predictable results. What I see in a majority of my bone loss patients is that the bone underneath the diseased bone is often healthy and totally unaffected. This healthy bone is actually perfect for implants, and we can use that to your advantage to create a solid foundation for your new teeth. This is why even patients with bone loss can still be candidates for implants. Every day in our offices, patients are getting their diseased teeth removed and immediately getting implants and walking out with teeth they will be able to enjoy for decades to come. So if you're considering dental implants or full arch restoration, let's talk. We offer free consultations and we walk you through all of your options in the process. If you're interested, simply click the link in the description to book your visit. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more expert insights on dental care. We'll see you in the next video.